Hello, good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Florida Bangedon. I am 42 years old. I am a teacher at SDY Tukimaribu. I teach sixth grade student. I live in Maribu Village. RT001 RW002 Sentani Barat District Jayapura Regency Papua Province Indonesia. I am still learning English, so please understand if I make mistake. Thank you for watching my introduction video.